dòng executive head.
Meghalaya has matched its best ever National Games performance, securing 5 medals in the canoeing competition at the ongoing 38th National Games in Uttarakhand. The athletes include Pinchngain Kurba, Indra Sharma, Elizabeth Vincent, Vikash Rana in solo performance, and Kiran Devi and B. Anandi in lightweight women's double sculls. In a video call, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma congratulated the medalists, including their coach Yan and team manager Shela, for leveraging the government's support and pushed the team towards their victory.
Morning, sir.
How are you all feeling today? So I just wanted to take this opportunity to once again congratulate all of you for this great achievement that you have achieved, and for bringing laurels to your family, to your association, and of course to the state as a whole. And as your Chief Minister, I just want to tell you that we are very, very proud of you. We'll be waiting to receive you here in Shillong, and a lot of exciting discussions are there. I have shared some of them with Pinchnai. The rest I will share with you when you all come here.